This webinar is being presented by Wolters Kluwer Tax and Accounting. Wolters Kluwer helps tax and accounting professionals and businesses of all sizes to drive productivity, navigate change, and deliver better outcomes. With workflows optimized by technology and guided by deep domain expertise, Wolters Kluwer helps organizations grow, manage, and protect their businesses and their clients' businesses.
It's going to be a wide-ranging discussion that I'm really looking forward to having with Shannon and Bob. And so what this discussion will go over is just how to future-proof your business despite changes that come your way, good or bad. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at a couple of quotes here that I thought really kind of is a good preamble to as we go into this discussion. So if you've heard that old saying that, you know, the only thing that stays the same is change is always constant. That's the only constant. And Heraclitus had that. Winston Churchill said to improve is to change, to be perfect is to change often. So we want people to look at this as a way, not look at change in a really a negative viewpoint, but there's a lot of opportunities in change as well.
Well, I know I can speak for us at Wolters Kluwer. We're trying to create hybrid ways of working to let you get into a cloud option while still having an on-prem solution if that's what you need. Like trying to meet everyone where they, because let's say you have that preparer in your office that's been serving the client base for 20 plus years. Maybe they're getting close to retirement, but they're not there yet. And their clients are loyal and don't want to leave, right? And you don't want to lose them.